Alright, look, I shuffle these cards and now spectator take any cards. Maybe your cards 8 of diamonds, and now I search your cards to red ace. Diamonds, hearts and spades. Yes, I take 4 ace. Spades, clubs, diamonds, hearts. It's really 4 ace. Look, 4 cards, 4 ace. Now I take this 4 ace, drop it this deck, snap my finger, and 1 ace vanish. It's really 3 ace. Look, I repeat, this is diamonds, this is spades, this is clubs, snap, and 1 ace vanish. It's really not bad. I take this ace of spades, look, and ace of spades really vanish. And now I take this ace of clubs. It's really amazing. Look, 4 ace really vanish, and now make move it like this, snap my finger, and 4 ace production, and search 1 cards. Of course, this is your cards, 8 of diamonds. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really this ace of diamonds nice card trick, because your production 4 ace, this is 4 ace, search your cards, and 4 ace vanish and search your cards. It's really crazy pure sleight of hand card trick. So guys, please subscribe to my channel right now, like in this video right now, maybe write this comment right now, and teach this trick right now. And now, right now. So guys, first trick, you make a little setup. You take 4 ace, spades, clubs, hearts and diamonds, and take full deck. Alright, this deck really shuffle, and now you take this 4 ace and put in her like this: diamonds, hearts, clubs, spades. 4 ace, put in her like this. And next step, you make any full cut, any full shuffle. Maybe you make like this, maybe you make triple cut. It's really anywhere. And next step, spectator take any cards, really free. It's not force. You take these cards, turn over and show it this card. This is jack of spades. It's really free, it's not force. And next step, use this finger, take these 2 cards, 1 jack and 1 ace. I repeat, jack. Take these 2 cards, and these 2 cards put in her like this. Alright, 1 ace, 1 jack, and 1 ace, hearts, heart. Right. And next step, snap your finger and make a sandwich these cards and turn over like this. It's really nice effects. Look, take any cards, maybe her, maybe your cards, jack of hearts, take these 2 cards, put in her, and now make a sandwich this your jack like this. And next step, you count these 2 cards, 1, 2, make a break and save it your break. Turn over these 3 cards like this, squeeze this jack and take your break. You take these 5 cards: 1 ace, ace of diamonds, your cards, ace of hearts, ace of clubs, ace of spades. Alright, because this is your save with your break. Take these 5 cards, deck, you drop it like this, and now you show it 3 cards: ace, ace of diamonds, jack of hearts, and ace of hearts. Alright, of course this is 3 cards. You take these 3 cards, 1 cards. And next step, you slide this ace of spades like this. And next step, you slide this ace of clubs like this. Alright, it's really easy move. Look, I repeat: ace of diamonds, jack of hearts, ace of hearts. These 3 cards. Slide this ace of spades, slide this ace of clubs. Alright, and show it this 4 ace. You production this 4 ace like this. Look, 1, 2, 3, and now you make move it like this and show it 4 ace. It's really easy move. Look, 1 card, this is 3 cards, 1 card, slide 1 card, slide 1 card. Alright, and now you snap and drop it this cards like this and show it 4 ace. It's really nice production. Now you squeeze and show it 4 cards: ace of spades, ace of clubs, and now use this finger, count 1 cards, ace of hearts, ace of spades. You show it 4 ace. Of course, this is 2 cards. And next step, you squeeze, take ace of spades, ace of clubs, and now you turn over these 4 cards and show it this back, like this. Of course, your left hand make move it like this. Of course, you cover these cards, move it like this. Look, spades, clubs, hearts, and diamonds. It's really, really clear and show it really 4 ace. It's really, really true. Right, look, I repeat, 1, 2, 4 ace, squeeze, look, squeeze, ace, ace. And next step, you take these 5 cards, take this deck, drop it, snap, and show it 1 ace vanish. And now ace of hearts, putting her like this, turn over, break this 1 cards, right, and show it this 3 ace like this. So this 3 ace, squeeze this deck, take this this jack, and now you slide this ace of hearts, slide this ace diamonds, right? Look, it's really easy. Slide this ace of hearts, and now you drop it this jack, slide this ace of clubs, ace of spades, snap and show it this and drop it 2 ace because ace of hearts vanish. The next step, you make a slip cut. Look, you make a swing cut. You take 1 card, make a break, drop it your break, and now you make move it like this. Of course, you control it this 2 ace, jack, and 1 random cards. The next step, you take ace of spades. It's really normal ace, and now you vanish this ace of spades like this. Your right hand slides these cards, and now you vanish this ace of spades like this. It's really, really easy to do. It's really easy move. Look, slide these cards, show it, drop it, make move like this, and squeeze these cards like this, and now your ace of spades vanish. And next step, your right hand make a fun and show it really ace vanish. And next step, take this ace of clubs, and now your ace of clubs vanish like this. Your right hand palm these cards like this. And next step, you use these cards, count 1 cards, this is 1 random cards, and this ace of clubs, make move it like this and squeeze, right? I repeat, look, ace of clubs vanish, count 1 cards, and this ace of clubs, look, corner this, make move it like this, and cover this ace of clubs like this. It's really nice move. Look, ace of clubs, vanish, count, and cover this ace of clubs like this. Look, ace of clubs, vanish, count, and cover this ace of clubs and show it ace of clubs really, really vanish. It's really crazy move. And next step, you make a classic pass. Use this finger, count 1 cards, make a classic pass like this, and of course, you show it, you make spread, and show it 4 ace productions, center this deck, and of course, your 4 ace, search 1 card, and of course, this is your jack of hearts.